Rightio, welcome everyone to the third ever episode of Dirt Wrench TV, where today we'll be trying to make this, my new whip, work a little better. So, this is replacing my old bike. This is it. This is the whip of legends. Obviously it doesn't work right now because it's terrible. So we're going to try and make it work better and look a little better with my immaculate spray painting skills. So I'm going to chuck it in the workshop, and I think the first step is to take the brakes off and then the wheels. Then we can paint it up and put it back together and lube the chain. I think that's all that really needs to be done here. There's nothing to this bike except wheels and a frame, so that's how it's going to work. Right, so here we are. Here's a closer look. You guys can see what we've got going on. Obviously we got the flowers and the Ninja Turtles combo. So yeah, anyway, first step is this does not work, and I don't think we need it because you're not going to be going above 3 kilometers an hour on it anyway. So I'm going to undo every bolt I see that is connected to this and rip it off and throw it in the bin. Let's go. First time lapse of the video. Rightio, so I got the brakes off the mini bike, going straight in the bin. It is currently 32 degrees and the humidity is making it feel more like 37, and I'm dying. I don't know if you can see, but I'm covered in sweat head to toe, having myself a little shower. Yeah, so anyway, I think the next step is to cut that off with the angle grinder. That seems pretty dangerous to me and I can't be bothered unscrewing it, so let's do that. There we go. That's off now. That's a bit safer. What you guys also didn't see was I put air in those tires off camera. Oh man, I'm like sweating because there was no air in them, and if we put it in now, then we can see how much they hold. And check again this afternoon. Done. The next step is definitely going to be take the wheels and the seat off. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. Just a couple of bolts that hopefully aren't seized shut because of rust, and we'll be good to go. So this is what the progress is like after that time lapse. The wheel had a stupid locking thing here, which I just cut off with the angle grinder because it doesn't need it because it's all rusted anyway, it's not coming off. This seat is stuck on. I cannot get this off for the life of me. I'm just going to snap the seat, which I don't want to do. So just the front wheel now, and then we'll hit this with the heat gun and take the stickers off and give it a coat of paint. Here we go, both wheels are off. and I'll hit this or with the heat gun and try and take the stickers off, just because the paint won't stick properly to them. Yes, I am working on my floor at the moment because the workbench is covered in, well, stuff. So yeah, let's hit it. These stickers are all on there, very good, and don't want to come off, so I'm just going to paint over them because I don't care, really. Yeah. So I think I'm going to hit the frame in red, the seat post black, sprocket black, and the wheels black because black wheels always go hard. And I don't have any masking tape, so I'm just going to chuck chucks around where I don't want the paint to go and hope for the best because, again, I don't care. Done the frame red, the handlebars black, the seat black. Let the grips stay the same even though it looks bad because then you just get paint all over your hands. And then what I'm really happy with is these wheels, completely black, and I reckon they look mint. Don't look like they were free from the dump. So yeah, I'm gonna let this all dry and I will see you guys all later for the second coat. So this is it, all done. I think it looks pretty alright. The black rims go kind of hard. Might need another coat of paint later, but that's easy to do just on the frame. Yeah, it's holding air in the tyres. Everything's good. I think that's it. I think that's done. I'll be seeing you guys all next time on the next episode of Dirt Ranch TV.